Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about Morgan's law and how we can prove it. Now Morgan's law and its proof. Morgan's law. First, A union B dash A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. At first we shall prove 1. Let X belongs to A union B dash. ধৰি ললো যে X নামৰ এলিমেন্টটো A union B dash আছে. This implies X belongs to U. U means universal set, and X not belongs to A union B. It is according to the law of difference by law of complements. X belongs to A union B dash. This means X belongs to U and X not belongs to A union B. This implies X belongs to U and X not belongs to A union X not belongs to B. Yet union আছে, ইউনিয়নত জেনাৰেলি অৰ হয়, যদিও ইয়াত যেহেতু নট বিলংছ আছে, নট বিলংছ থাকিলে ইউনিয়নত এণ্ড হ'ব আৰু ইণ্টাৰছেকশ্যনত অৰ হ'ব, অপজিট. This implies X belongs to U and X not belongs to A and X belongs to U and X not belongs to. This implies from this we can write X belongs to A dash. U আছে, A নাই মানে A dash আছে, and X belongs to B dash. U আছে, B নাই মানে B dash আছে. This implies X belongs to A dash, N আছে কারণ intersection B dash. If we start from this, if we start from X belongs to A dash union in A dash intersection B dash, from this we get also that X belongs to A union B dash. So we can write this symbol. This is if and only if symbol. Jodi aru jodi he, so we can write A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. We can prove it with the help of Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, A union B dash. If we write a diagram here, A, this is B, A, B. In A union B dash means A union B, this person is A union B. This person is A union B. Now A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash means except this challenge person. That is, we express it as dotted person. This is here we can write A union B dash is equal to dotted portion. And this diagram is written as one. Now A dash means, in this case also we draw another diagram. This is A, B. A means this portion is A. This portion is, and A dash means dotted portion except A, dotted portion except this will come. B dash means this is A, B, this is B. Therefore B dash is except B. B ৰ বাহিৰে বাকি যিখিনি থাকিব সেই গোটেইখিনিও B dash. এতিয়া যদি আমি A dash আৰু B dash ৰ ইন্টাৰসেকশন লওঁ, A dash ইন্টাৰসেকশন B dash কোনখিনি পৰ্চন আমাক বুজাব, which region will denote A, which region? This portion, this dotted portion and these dotted portions, intersection of two dotted portions. This diagram. Does you see that diagram 1 and 2? Diagram 1 and 2 are same. So we can write from 1 and 2. A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is all about proof of Morgan's law. Next class I shall discuss about some practical application of union and intersection.